The college uses software to manage administrative rights on Windows computers and laptops assigned to employees. Admin by request can be utilized to temporarily grant administrator access to complete tasks that require elevated permissions like software installation. The software is already installed on your computer. It can be accessed by clicking the caret near the clock and looking for the green circle with the white check mark. When admin by request detects unknown software is being installed, it is designed to intercept the install and prompt to request administrator access. After the request is approved by IT, you are given 60 minutes to complete the administrative task.
The request form will appear on the screen. Your email and phone number should be filled in automatically. Type the reason you are requesting administrator access and click the OK button. A confirmation message will appear. Click the OK button. Once your request is approved, you will receive an email and a notice will appear in the taskbar. Each administrative session has a 60-minute time limit. Click Yes to start the session. Review the code of conduct that appears on the screen. Note that you may need to right-click on the software you are installing and click Run as administrator. Also note that IT will see the applications that are installed and which programs run throughout the session. Click the OK button. During the session, you can see how much time is remaining. If the window is minimized, click the icon to open the software. After you have finished the administrative task, click the Finish button. Click Yes to confirm and end the administrative session.
It is possible that admin by request does not intercept the install. In this case, it is possible to request administrator access to complete the installation.
To request administrator access, click the caret near the clock. Click the Admin by Request icon. Click Request Administrator Access. Complete the request by following the procedure shown earlier in the video.
If you have questions, search admin by request in the KB or submit an IT ticket.